Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Monday, July 24th. This is David, and let's take a look at the NASDAQ-100 today. Of course, this was the first day that the index started to trade on a rebalanced basis with a little less import of some of the largest components of the index, but it was last week here on Wednesday that we saw a short-term high in the index, pretty much right here up against the Voodoo tree line. Today, it came down towards this Voodoo snow line level and got a little bit of a rebound, closed higher on the day above Friday's high. But now this tree line level and the snow line level sort of define the current range. Right. So look, it could be that we rebound directly from the snow line. And if that sends us up above the tree line and we can find support above the tree line, then the bounce that we've been in since late last year can probably be seen to continue. And it may be that this snow line level is a good place to buy from. Time will tell. But once we start to get a pullback, we can start to map out support levels that'll be interesting. And if we do break the snow line, there are, from both a Voodoo line's roadmap perspective and a Fibonacci perspective, two areas that I'm focused on. Certainly, breaking a snow line will put the next snow line in focus. That would come in here at 14,984. But in addition to being a snow line, if we look at the move up from this pullback that tested the Voodoo fire line in March, if we measure the move up from that low into last week's high, well, that's also the 23.6% retrace. And I would feel better about buying this on something that was a 23.6% or 38.2% retrace of that move up. And the 38.2 coincides with the level that we'd expect to see, right, in a move down from an upper tree line if it breaks both intermediate snow lines, and that would be the tree line just below. So that comes in at 14,382. We have a meaningful cluster at both of these spots in terms of both retracement levels and, right, Voodoo line levels. So those are the levels that I'll be keeping an eye out for, keeping in mind that that despite the strength in this move up, I still think that there's a chance of a move that turns back down. And so breaking these levels, particularly anything that breaks the Voodoo tree line here, potentially sets us up for a retest of the fire line, and beyond that, potentially much lower. So I hope you found that useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.